Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious macaroni salad using an easy method, perfect for any occasion in Sierra Leone. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of cooked and cooled elbow macaroni, 1 cup of creamy mayonnaise, and 1/2 cup each of finely chopped celery and bell pepper. Don't forget 1/4 cup of diced onion to add that perfect savory touch. These simple items form the foundation of our delightful salad. Now that we have our ingredients, let's focus on preparing the vegetables. It's important to dice your celery, bell pepper, and onion into small, uniform pieces. This ensures every bite has a balanced flavor and texture. Once chopped, combine these fresh vegetables in a large mixing bowl. We'll also add some basic seasoning here, about 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. This initial seasoning helps to infuse flavor throughout the salad. With our vegetables prepped and seasoned, it's time to bring everything together. Add your cooked and thoroughly cooled elbow macaroni to the bowl with the chopped vegetables. Next, pour in the 1 cup of mayonnaise. This is the key to a creamy, rich macaroni salad. Gently fold all the ingredients together using a spatula or a large spoon. Make sure everything is evenly coated. Once mixed, taste the salad and adjust the salt and pepper if you feel it needs a little more kick. Our macaroni salad is almost ready to enjoy. After mixing, cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap. It's crucial to refrigerate the salad for at least 2 hours. This chilling time allows all the wonderful flavors to meld together, creating a more harmonious and delicious dish. Before serving, you can garnish it with some fresh chopped parsley or a sprinkle of paprika for a pop of color. Serve your chilled macaroni salad as a delightful side dish or a refreshing light meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.